Hey guys, and welcome back. And yes, I know it's still winter, but here in Florida the weather is warming up, and I think right now it's like 81 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and take this opportunity to check out the boat and check out the sandbar. Haven't been here in a while, maybe, I don't know, let me not say a while, maybe a few weeks, but let's go, let's check it out, let's see what the day brings us. And like you can see, the day is beautiful and sunny. I guess I'm not the only crazy one, because there's a lot of people here at the sandbar enjoying the day. This is amazing winters in Florida, but you still have to apply sunblock because you're gonna get burned. Well, the water's still kind of chilly, but another thing that we enjoy is watching the boats go by. Yes, it's the best time of the day, it's lunchtime, and today we have a special assistant chef here. And we're making one of my favorites, is the ribeye steaks. Eat you wild beasts. they say, the more the merrier. So my friend showed up, and we're gonna hang out here with us. Okay, so we're gonna take a walk around the sandbar and see what everyone's up to. And I don't know if you remember from my previous videos before, the sandbar itself is getting bigger and bigger. Before it used to be like maybe, I don't know, like maybe 20 square feet. And now it's like, it's pretty big. You can see the area there. And actually it's pretty fun because everybody, you know, can enjoy the whole sandbar.
Yeah, go ahead, do it again, do it again. Do more, do like 5. Yeah, go. Dale, go. Go. Oh, you almost got it.
I was playing around so much in the sandbar that I didn't pay attention to the low tide and it caught us. So I guess we're gonna have to sit here until the tide goes up. But I mean, it's still good though because we wasn't in a hurry, so we're just gonna head and enjoy the fun here.